usually I would let Jimmy do this, but this showed up today and he's working today. And if we wait, it'll be dark. So we're gonna go ahead, open this up, show you guys what we got. Now we've gotten these before for some other vehicles and they worked out really well. So what we have, here's one. So what we've got is for the Audi. This is for the back. Well, the middle for ours because it's Q7. All right, so first things first, I'll take these stuff out of the floorboard. Now the cool thing about these, like I said, where they're measured specifically for your vehicle is if your vehicle has like these little holder things, little tabs for placement. Typically your Weathertech will also have those little tabs. So you just get the one that's supposed to go in there. You line it up, snap it in, snap it in. Now, the only issue that we've had with ours in the past so far is, and we may have it with this one too, we'll have to follow up on that and see, is if you have a door like this that's flat, that doesn't come back up, sometimes you will have a little bit of an issue with the lip. So let's see if I can bring this over here and show it to you. Sometimes you'll have a little bit of an issue getting this to stay down initially. But otherwise, there is the front passenger's floorboard now. As you can see, this goes all the way up to about here. And it does also cover the edge of the door here, so as far as kicking stuff in. Now, it does not cover all the way up, but like on this, some people don't know, there's a, like I said, that's where we may have a little bit of an issue with this. There is a spare glove compartment on Audi's floors, so they have to make sure that that will still work. But there you go, there's that one. Let's see what we can do with the other. So like I said, you just pull up your factory mats, move them to the side, bring in your new one, line up your little presets. Oops, probably should have lined this one up first. Let's pop you back out. There we go. That one. There's that one. This one lays a little bit flatter, which is good. So there's that. Let's zoom around this way. And there you go. Fairly flat all the way against here. So you're not going to have stuff getting in there. Even if you do have dirty stuff on your feet. And like I said, with Jimmy being on the fire department, jumping in and out, even if he's got clean shoes, because let's face it, you may be on a car accident in a jumpsuit and may or may not have boots, or it may just be a search and rescue kind of thing. You may end up getting in the vehicle with your boots because your shoes may end up being somewhere else, so who knows. But even if you're out pouring rain, switch shoes, you're still going to get stuff on your clothes sometimes if you have to drive a POV. So absolutely saves your carpets, like I said. All right, back seat. Let's see how this one goes. Let's see. Move our turtle book. Now this one is a little bit different. It's a full piece. It goes all the way over, but I'll show you real quick. It does not have the same snaps that the front does. It has these little grooves for those little pin spots, but it does not actually have the snaps like the front did. We'll lay this in here. Wiggle it in a little bit. Here we go. Here's that side. Just come out. Go over there. Box of Kleenexes. And we will move this guy right down in here. And then you just kind of press him in place. So where this has this center hump, it changes it a little bit. So it's a little bit different. Make sure everybody's wiggled down in place over here. So, okay, show you. We've got, whoop, all the way over there, at the center. So this is scooted back quite a bit because we had someone a little bit taller. My dad was actually, I think, the last person maybe to ride on this side. Not sure, don't remember. But because of that, it seats pushed back a little bit more. So you're showing more carpet than you might normally. But let's see here. Show you guys up under there. It goes a good little ways up in there. Just to help catch. It's got a little bit of a lip on the front so the stuff doesn't fly forward under your seats. And like I said, just has a little cap for that little nub spot to help hold it in place. So we'll see how that works. It's a little bit different than what we're used to. But there you go. Quick installation of front and rear WeatherTech in the Audi. So there you have it. Got front end and back end. So that should help save our floor here a little bit. Whoops. Walked out of frame again. Sorry about that. But yeah. As long as you get your make and your model correct, it's usually fairly straightforward, fairly simple to put those in. So, all right. Talk to you guys later. See you next time.